Understanding the phrase, ashen face. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a colorful expression in the English language, ashen face. This phrase paints a vivid picture in only 2 words, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned to find out. When we describe someone as having an ashen face, we mean that their face looks very pale, usually due to shock, fear, illness, or exhaustion. The word ashen is derived from ash, the gray substance left after something is burned. It's a metaphorical expression, suggesting that the person's face has lost its normal color, much like the pale, lifeless color of ashes. The phrase, ashen face, has been in use for centuries. It can be traced back to the time when people commonly burned wood for heat and observed the pale, colorless remains. These ashes were often associated with death and ghostly apparitions, which is why an ashen face can also convey a sense of doom or fear. Using ashen face correctly can add depth to your communication. For example, after hearing the news, she turned an ashen face towards me. The long hours of work left him with an ashen face. Notice how the phrase effectively conveys a strong emotional or physical state without the need for further explanation. An ashen face often accompanies certain body language. A person might have wide eyes or an open mouth, signs of shock or fear. They might also move sluggishly or seem frozen in place, indicating exhaustion or illness. We hope this exploration of the phrase, ashen face, has added a new shade to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about painting pictures and telling stories. An ashen face can tell a story all on its own. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add a little color to your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.